Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss another interesting problem based on the concept of list and string whatever I have discussed in my previous video. Okay, and the problem is taken from LeetCode. The problem number is 557 and the problem name is reverse words in a string. Okay, so the problem says given a string you need to reverse the order of characters in each word within a sentence while still preserving white space and initial word order. Okay, like for example, if our input is let's take LeetCode contest, output should be, see, first word in the output is basically reversed version of let's, second word is reverse version of take, third one is basically reversed version of LeetCode, fourth one is basically, this one is basically reversed version of contest. Okay, so basically each word, that is the characters which are forming that word, has to be reversed, but word order should not be changed. Okay, note, in the string each word is separated by a single space and there will not be any extra space in the string. Okay, so you have to solve this particular problem. Try to think about one algorithm which can be used to implement which can be used to solve this particular problem. Implement that, check whether it is giving correct output or not. If it is not giving correct output, no need to worry, here I am explaining. Okay, but first try. Okay, because if you try, then only logical thinking skill will build up in your mind. Okay, and that will help a lot in solving lots of harder problems in placement interview process, right? So see, this is basically one function problem, class solution, and def reverse words is our function name. We are basically our string is s which are passing through our function, and output should be also, return type is also string. Okay, so what we can do, very simple. First we will be forming a list. Okay, using the words of this string. Okay, that means using dot split method we will be forming one list from this string, and we will be taking each and every element of that particular list which are basically words of this particular input string. We will reverse that and we will put in another output list, and finally using that output list we will be form one string and that we will return. Simple as that. So if I write the code, you will be understanding easily. So E equal to S dot split, which, what is the delimiter? C space. So space. So it will form one list of words using the words of the input string. Okay, then we are creating one empty list to store the reversed version of each word. Then we will traverse in our list which we have created using the words of the input string. So for I in E, already I have discussed how to traverse in a list, right? For I in E. Now what you have to do, very important, see, understand it very carefully. For I in E, now I will be taking each and every word. Now the word has to be reversed. Okay, I have shown you already one method to reverse a word using list method and reverse. Okay, that's what we are going to implement. For I in E, A equal to, so basically I is storing that particular word. We will be making one list using that word. Okay, so basically A will be basically one character list which is made up of the characters of the I word. Okay, A equal to list of I. Then here on A we can use the reverse method which is present in list, right? So we have applied. Now we have to form one word using the characters of A. So what we will do, very simple. Suppose ES equal to what? We have to use join method to convert one list to a string, right? So join, and then we can give A, which we are basically passing. Now ES, this ES is basically reversed version of word. So basically we will be appending that to output. Okay, append yes. Okay, all right. Now what will happen after this for loop? What will happen in the output? Individual words reverse version will be stored. So we have to combine them up to return. Okay, so return, we have to make one in a single string. which is having delimiter as space, right? Because in our output string also delimiter is space. So return space dot, again we will use join, then output. Okay, so I hope you have understood this simple code. Just little bit application of all the concepts, more important concepts like join, then list, then split. Okay, understand the difference between split and list. Split will split according to delimiter, list will form a character array, whatever string you will pass. Okay, so for this particular test case, let's take LeetCode contest. Its status is accepted. Now let us check whether it is passing all the test cases. That is hidden or not. Yep, see, success, status is success. Okay, runtime 40 milliseconds, memory usage 14.2 MB. You can optimize this, you can think about time complexity, space complexity, all that, but for the time being I want at least you should find the approach and solve by your own. Okay, try to build up this first, later you can optimize your code, we will discuss later. Okay, so this is all for our this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment, because your valuable feedback will help us to improve ourselves. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Thank you.